Hello friends, previous part finished design of sign up and sign in account. In this part show you how to insert user data into the PHP MYSQLI database. So first go to the file, create new file. Here that is, say the file name is connect.php. And then write PHP tag. So before connect the database, first go to the PHP MyAdmin database. Here create new database. The database name is Messenger. Then create table. Table name is user. And then here there is, write the column name. First is user ID, then username, user image, and then email, and then type column int, and then length is 11, user ID, and then username type is virtual, length is 150, same username virtual, length is 250, email virtual, the length is 150, and then user ID auto increment, and then save it. And also two more columns after email. Write column name, password, and date. Type is virtual password, length is 150, and date is timestamp. Default value set to current timestamp. Save. So here that is database table is finished. Here that is table name is user. Now connect the database. So inside PHP tag, write $sign connection equal to MySQLI connect. Here that is inside bracket 4 values or die. Inside bracket that is MySQLI error. If it is any error in the database, it should be connection shows error. Here that is double code inside, right? First is localhost, and second value is root, and third value is password. So give blank value, and then last is messenger. Database name is messenger, Then write if else function for it is working or not. So if inside bracket write paste it connection, and then inside bracket inside flower bracket is write echo connection successfully. Close with semicolon, same copy, paste it, else function, here that is changes connection error. Then browser shows here that is browser shows connection successfully. File name is connect.php. If it is any error, so just changes name and save it and refresh browser. Here that is MySQL connection is error. Here that is line number 3 is error. This is one parameter. So changes to messenger. And then connection is successfully. So here that is database is working. So remove the if else function and go to the signup.php file. Above the HTML file write PHP tag. Inside PHP tag include the function, include the file connect.php. Here that is database is connected to the signup.php file. Then write error reporting is 0. Here error showing null value. And then below the input field, so write the input email value is here that is write first form, here submit with form. Here action is I am kept in blank because you can write also signup.php. Here that is method is post. The form is closed after the container, after the signup container. Here that is write the input type email, after that name is email, then text is name is username, and also input field password, name is password. And the submit the button type is submit, and also name is submit. Now submit the form. method is post. Inside PHP tag, write if function. Inside bracket, write if is set. Inside bracket, method is post, and then submit the button. Here that is button name is submit. Here that is submit the form. When button is submit button is click, then write inside flower bracket $username equal to, here there is post method, here there is input value, name is username, then close with semicolon, then $email equal to post, then square bracket, that is name value, input name value is email, $password equal to, your post method is password, close with semicolon. Here check the input value is empty or not. Inside if else function, here that is if function. Inside bracket write empty, first is username or empty email or empty password. Inside flower bracket write some messages, $message, using double quote. Inside write h6 tag dot double quote. Right, please fill all the fields. Close with dot and close with h6 tag within double quote. Then lastly close with semicolon. And then if else, inside else function, inside flower bracket write SQL query $SQL equal to, inside double quote, write the SQL query. Here go to the database, PHP admin database, go to the SQL. Here that is selection, select from the user. copy, paste to the inside quote, double quote. Here that is select from user where username equal to username. Here that is checking username exists or not. Then connect the SQL table. Here the write $result equal to MySQL query. Inside bracket $connect, close the semicolon, just copy $connect, comma SQL, connect the table, and then if check the number of rows inside if function, inside write, inside bracket write MySQL number of rows, inside bracket write result is greater than 0. Here there is username is checking inside the database. If it is username is exist, then message shows username already exist. Or else insert the user data to database. Here write $query equal to, within quotes write close the semicolon, go to the PHP MyAdmin and then click insert, copy the insert query and paste into the inside two quotes of query function. Here remove the user ID, user image, and also date, remove the values also. Here there is insert value only username, email, password. So that is input field name is username, copy username and paste it into the first value within single quotes. Then next value is email, then last is password in single quotes. Here inserted into user value, username, email and then lastly password, and then connect to the database. Here the write $query result underscore result equal to MySQLi query, MySQLi underscore query, inside bracket write connection comma query SQL value. So close with semicolon. After that write if function inside bracket write query result. After the double bracket write the messages. Here that is message is inserted insert user data successfully. And then design the Ajax. That is Ajax. Inside flower bracket write font size 20 px, margin top 10 px, then color is red. And then copy the message, $message, any error display on the input field. So here that is above the input email field. So write inside PHP tag write echo $message, close with semicolon. And then browser shows here that is save the signup.php. Then browser shows signup.php. Here there is little bit changes. Cut the form tag. Paste inside that is blue. When here that is sign up button is clicked. Here any input field is empty, please fill all the fields, or write email @gmail.com and sign up again. Here also show please fill all the fields. So here that is all the fields are required, that is email, username and password. Here that is email virat@gmail.com, username virat, and then sign up. That is also please fill all the fields. So fill all the fields correctly. Email, username, then lastly password. Here that is show insert user data successfully. Go to the PHP MyAdmin and then data is inserted. Here that is user ID 1, username .query, then email @gmail.com, password 12345, then lastly date. Now write the session start. When user is sign up successfully, and then save the user in the browser. Just copy the SQL value, paste inside the query result function, inside the if function. Here also SQL query is select from user, where username equal to username, result equal to MySQL query, dollar connection, comma, dollar SQL. Here that is write while function. Here that is inside the bracket write $row equal to MySQL fetch association. After that inside bracket paste the $result. Here that is $_session. Here the value is saved to user ID. Here that is $row inside square bracket, inside single quote. Here that is data table is user ID, and then write the user ID inside single quote, close with semicolon. Here that is session value is saved to user ID, and then header inside bracket location within single quote, location, close with semicolon. Here that is, and this session is successfully, it is sign up successfully, to go to the home.php file. Here that is write new file home.php, then basic structure of HTML, and title name is messenger home, and this sign up successfully, it comes to messenger home page. Inside body tag, and then using div tag, write the home inside the h2 tag. It is for testing purpose, it's working or not, and then save it. Go to the signup.php file, then save, and then browser shows. Here let us sign up with another user, email dhoni@yahoo.com, username Dhoni, password 12345, and sign up is click. It comes to home page of the messenger. So it is working. Now how to make sign out? Inside home.php file, remove the text home and then right button. Inside button tag write anchor tag. Here that is link is signout.php, and then text name is sign out. This is for texting purpose. Now create signout.php file. Go to the file, create new, then save it as signout.php. Here write PHP code. Just copy the include connection connect.php error reporting, then session start, paste inside the signout.php file. Here that write session unset. Here there is user session is destroyed. Session unset means after that it goes to the location. Just copy the header location. Then sign out successfully. Go to the file name signin.php. That is location is signin.php. And then browser shows. Click the sign out button, then comes to the signin.php page. So it is working. Now finish the sign up account using PHP code. Now how to make sign in account using PHP MYSQLI code. Here just copy same thing and then paste above the document HTML. Make some changes. Here there is only input field is email and password. And button name is sign in. Close with PHP tag. Here that is inside button right type submit, and then name is submit, and then input email field also name is email, and then password field name is password. Inside double quote write password, that is remove the empty username Go to the signup.php file, copy the SQL query, and then paste inside. Signin.php file, that is after the if else function, inside else function paste the SQL query. Here signin.php file also same thing, that is signup.php, and then if function MySQL number of rows, here that is check the number of rows is greater than 0. Here that is input email password is matching, and then sign in successfully, and here that is right. Select from user where email is equal to email, it is value is email, and means here that is both values true, email and password. Value is password. Here that is checking MySQL number of rows, email and password is same, that is existing user, or else email and password does not match. Inside h6 tag write email and password, does not match. Here that is everything is same, session, header location, and also design h6 tag same copy. H6 it is font size 20 px, margin top 10 px, color red, and paste inside the signin.php file, and also copy the form paste inside the container, and close with form tag, and also copy PHP messages, paste above the email, and then browser shows how to make sign in account. Sign in with existing user, if that is sign in field is empty, please fill all the field. message shows error, and then write email and password. Click the sign in. Here also email and password does not match, so write correct email and password, and then sign in successfully. Then sign up with another user. Email rohit@gmail.com, username Rohit, password 1234 Sign up successfully, and then database shows user ID is 3, so user is inserted. So here sign up, sign in account successfully, also inserted, data is successfully. Thank you for watching this part of the Messenger website. Please subscribe my channel Subbu Tutorial. Thank you.